Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Mortgage Market Advisor, your residential mortgage, markets, and news. It's February 23rd. Let's get started. Bonds opened up really kind of low this morning, but have actually been trading pretty well since. So bonds are trading about their highest point since they opened this morning, and currently are about $102.56. So this is bonds are trading still about the best since about April of 2015. So overall, bonds are staying pretty stable. As far as reports that have come out, consumer confidence, not so good today. So that helped bonds quite a bit. Also, the consensus of the Fed increasing the short-term rate since January went from 93% all the way down to 48%. So a lot of analysts, a lot of investors really think the Fed is probably going to back off on their statements in December on how often they're going to increase the short-term rate. That's also been helpful for bonds. We do have mixed news though, because stocks and oil have began to stabilize. Independent of this news, we still have seen bonds trade pretty darn well today. So to quantify how well, if you were going to get a mortgage back in January of 28th and you were going to get a specific rate and you were going to have to pay a point for that rate, if you're going to get that same mortgage today, you would not have to pay any points. So 28th to today, 1 point, no points. As far as the breakout, we are going to see a lot of news coming out later on this week, so let's watch out. We still are going to be maintaining this trading pattern, but we could still drop down to a floor of $101.30. So let's keep an eye out for future reports. Now, Dan is maintaining a neutral position on bonds. He thinks that trading is going to stay pretty flat, so we'll probably see the same fees and interest rates for a while on 30-year fixed. But he's also thinking that once the reports come out, there could be some bad news for bonds, and bonds could maybe sell off. So Dan is also maintaining a neutral position, but he thinks the reports could be helpful for bonds. So kind of an interesting outlook from both analysts this week. So let's stay tuned for the Thursday report, and as Yoda would say, a cloudy future there is. So for more information, my contact information is above. And be sure to like the video before you leave. Everyone likes to be liked. So if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button. It would be really helpful. And we'd love to hear from you. Feel free to leave some comments below. And if it's your first time on the channel, subscribe. Subscribing will get you updates on news that's coming out as you're looking to get a mortgage. And if you don't know what the heck all of this bond stuff means and how it relates to you as a consumer getting a mortgage, click this icon right here at the top right. This will take you to a quick class, kind of shows you how mortgage-backed securities impact you as a consumer and the points or rate that you get when you're getting a mortgage. Anyway, take care guys, have a great week.